So today we are hiking up to Crater Lakes here in Colorado. So let's go check it out. So we're here at Crater Lakes. It's a chain of lakes located in the James Peak Wilderness area. The lower two are located at about 10,500 feet elevation, and the higher one is 11,200. So the trailhead for this hike starts right in front of the Moffat Tunnel. That sound is the turbines from the ventilation system that removes fumes from the tunnel after every train that comes through. The Muffet Tunnel opened February 20th, 1928. Construction of the tunnel began in 1922 from the east and west portals. 5 years later, the two shafts were connected by a blast of dynamite set off via a telegraph by President Coolidge all the way in Washington, D.C. The tunnel was named for David Moffat, an industrialist who envisioned the tunnel but died in 1911 before construction could begin. The Muffet Tunnel had an enormous impact on train operations through the Rocky Mountains, cutting 23 miles off the trip. The grade was halved from 4 to 2%, and the maximum elevation was reduced overall by 2,440 feet. Most importantly, the tunnel eliminated the tremendous cost of keeping the Rawlins Pass line open during the long Rocky Mountain winters. So one thing that's really cool on this trail that I've noticed is on all the pine trees you have all this moss, which it really reminds me of Hoh Rainforest in Olympic National Park, if anyone's been there. Getting kind of similar vibes here. So we just came across this snowfield here in the middle of the mountains, and you can just see how it's melted through the middle here. And it's got this cool canyon kind of cave effect. Very cool. The hike from the tunnel to here, the first two lower lakes, is 1,100 foot gain elevation, and it's about 3 miles. So we have one lake over there, we have another lake over there, we have the third top lake. It's gonna be up there, up that weaving trail. It's about another half a mile, but you gain about 700 feet. So quite a bit of climbing, but let's get to it. So we came across this boulder field between the lower two and the upper lake. A little difficult picking our way through the trail, and elevation's getting to me, but super beautiful. So here we are at the upper Crater Lake. It sits at an elevation of 11,200 feet. So it's pretty high up there, but man, is it pretty.